took a Snapchat of it.
I noticed it on your Snapchat. Because you fucking took it and I didn't know. Then I saw it on your
Do something there, bitch.
Bitch, try to act high.
I'm just saying, you've been talking about this shit for 5 hours. What you gonna do?
Real G's moving silent, man.
I'm not buying weed, though.
We ain't playing with you. What the fuck you mean? There's priorities on priorities.
I'm not buying weed, bro.
Yeah, you're buying something that you own.
What?
I fronted you this
You
once.
didn't front me shit.
I don't have your money.
$10 missing on my.
How the fuck am I supposed to know? You didn't know you had goddamn one on you. You probably dropped it on your way here.
Where's that strap
You gonna
at?
take $10 from me?
I didn't take shit from
I
you.
got $10 out there for a reason.
Well, how the fuck am I supposed to know your reason or that you had it?
So that's how you do it?
Boy, shit and just kept it.
You were gonna keep
You
it.
already said something. You already said you hit your phone with automatically.
Yeah, exactly. All right, then. That was a clue, motherfucker. But if I didn't say that, I could cut that shit.
And then he would have owed you $30.
That's what I'm saying. You would have 10, if you owe me 30, it was cool. Trying to steal somebody's gun. Go ahead. Steal them fucking guns out before I'm stalling you. Go to jail for 30 years.
I mean, bullets in them.
Fully loaded. And just when I fucking do come over, you ain't gonna know what the fuck I took.
You ain't coming over.
You ain't gonna know shit until like 3 weeks later when it's gone. Weak ass.
You don't tell somebody that when they're at your fucking house right now.
That's fine. What are you gonna? I'm gonna drop kick your ass.
I'm gonna fucking take your Yachty cup holder.
What? Are you for real?
Yeah.
So this is done now.
What charges it?
You guys traded? Okay. The feud has ended, right?
Trade.
So has the feud ended?
Yeah.
So no more watch talk?
You done? You happy?
No.
Something you needed? Work in the shower?
It's cool.
But this motherfucking watch got dog bites on it.
And I was gonna return this, and if I return this, then that don't have no fucking charger. So where's the charger at?
It's not over.
Where the fuck's the charger at?
Like, I understand, Terry. I understand
Where's the
him
charger at?
being upset. Good, look, as far as like, bro, I let you gave me the watch. But since I'm cool and it ain't even that big a deal, here, take the watch back. Oh shit, it got bite marks in it. That's my fault, Brody.
Yeah, fucking dude straight took a bag of chips and put it into his shirt and carried it.
It wasn't even
Because
It doesn't matter how much I was going to eat it that night.
Yeah, if I would have asked you for it, you wouldn't have gave it to me.
Why would I give it to you if I fucking bought the chips?
Because I want to know.
Why the fuck you steal my chips? She's a
Because I feel part of
fucking
it.
yeah. Your daughter can have. You know why? Because your daughter actually asked for the chips. You know.
This dude come to my crib and
When's the last time I've been to your
It
house?
don't fucking matter.
Oh, it
as
matters.
long as I've known you,
This
you
fucking
come through
guy.
like a hurricane.
This motherfucker,
and
you.
eat everything. You can eat pizzas in my house, nigga.
I
How
don't
dare
give
you?
a fuck.
How dare you come at me for some chips?
And I asked you, can I bake a pizza?
It don't matter though.
And you just stole my
It don't
motherfucking
matter
bag of
though.
chips.
It don't matter.
Because
Last
you
quarter.
stole my bag.
didn't he take some ho-hos
They were
too?
mesquite chips too. The real good ones. I ain't get my fucking deposit
I
back
come over
because
this
of
nigga
that
house
juice.
with this cup, and he complained the whole. I can be over for hours. Make sure you get that cup. Make sure you get that cup. Make sure you get that cup.
Yeah, the fucking juice. You wanna know why? Because this is carpet. It stains, motherfucker. Dip does not stain on hardwood
Go
floors.
issue some ice clean that shit to be out.
Because it's been 3 weeks I tried.
I'm scarred.
Yeah, are you
I'm
scarred?
scarred from picking up your nasty
What is
sloppy.
fucking carpet scarred? You got my deposit?
Fuck your deposit.
Yeah, I
And
figured.
it spilled off. I said, man, can you please make sure you get that
You
shit
didn't say
when you
none of
leave?
that shit, lying ass
Can you
dude.
please make sure you get that shit out of here when you
He's
leave,
just
bro?
lying.
That's gross as fuck. Why you even chew this, bro?
You gonna take my Febreze? What else you got?
Come on, man. Get home somewhere. Get off me.
You got my Tylenol.
Get off me. That's it.
Come on, motherfucking green. I used to do this shit for a living, G.
You did. I feel like. Dude, you're about to clean my pockets out. Get the fuck off me.
Dude, my mom literally just bought me that cough medicine fucking yesterday. Then where the fuck's the cough medicine at, dude? No, you fucking stole my cough medicine.
So it's me. Terry could have done it.
No. Cause you're the only motherfucker that steals shit.
Is it because he's black? Oh, no, don't say all that.
What are you doing, Mom? Well, I need some more cough medicine. Because fucking Damon stole. Yeah, right out the bathroom. I don't know why, but he just fucking did. I tried to get home. Do you have any more? I mean, I'm fucking sick over here. I mean, I already fucking called him.